everyone, it's Amber, and I've got a really fun unboxing to share today. This really amazing vintage kit is from Your Creative Studio, and she has like a subscription box that she offers on her website. Her name is Amanda, and she's so sweet. She sent me this box, and this is the vintage one, so I cannot wait to share it with you. And she wrote me a sweet little message. So let's go ahead and dig right into this. I'm going to leave all the links below to everything, her Instagram, her website, so you can go over and order some of her amazing products. So like I said, this is the vintage box. This was for May, and I'm not sure if it's still available. I think it is. I'll let you guys know across the screen here if it is. And then also all the information will be down below. So let's go ahead and get started on seeing what's in this awesome subscription box. So first of all, I see some really cute, I think these are, oh my gosh, look at these. They're like vellum, oh, that's what they are. They're little transfers. So I think she wrote a note about this. Oh my gosh, you guys should feel these. They're like vellum and then acetate on the back. So I think you peel them off, but look at all these vintage images. So cool. And then it's like a planner kit too. So you can use this for your planner, but look at these really cool typewriter vintage font. So here are some die cuts. Look at that little washi tape she added. These die cuts, there's a lot in here. Oh my goodness, look at all these. That one's gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at the cactus. Oh, you guys, you've got to get your hands on this. This is so awesome. So those are the die cuts. Okay, so these are like the Deco stickers. Look at the images you get. And then here's the instructions on how to use them. So pretty. And then look at this really skinny, really tiny washi. It's so beautiful. Oh, I love that. Perfect for my planner. Oh my goodness. You know, I love me some ephemera. This is so cool. What is this? Look, they're like vintage postcard sheets. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect for junk journals. Oh, I'm in love with this. Look how many you get. Wow, this is really awesome. I love this so much. Hope you guys got a good look at that. Perfect for junk journals. And then look at how detailed everything is. There's like a little embossed die cut on here, and then it's wrapped in this really vintage book paper. Oh my gosh, it's a rubber stamp. That is so cool. I love this. And there's two. Just getting around to doing this. Oh my gosh, look at how cute. This is so awesome. There's a little spot for the date. This is perfect for your planner. And look, another little tiny one. Oh, look, it's a teeny tiny stamp. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my goodness, look at the images on here. Oh, how cute. It's perfect for journal lovers. Oh my goodness, so cute. This paper. Wow, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, we have this really cute pouch. All cut out for you. This is incredible. And yet even more, look at these vintage book pages. Gosh, I love this. And this, oh my goodness, it's like an old schoolhouse exercise. And then looks like there's some vellum sheets in here. I love working with vellum. And even more ephemera. How pretty. And some scrapbook paper. This is so awesome. Oh, look it. That goes with the charm. That's so cute. Definitely go check out Your Creative Studio on Instagram, and go check out her shop, because this is such a great subscription kit, and I can't wait to see what she puts out for next month. Thank you so much again, Amanda, for sending me this kit, and I hope everybody enjoyed watching me unbox this. Please give it a thumbs up and comment below if you have any questions. And thanks so much for watching. Bye!